Hi, here's a clear, safe, parents and pharmacist friendly step-by-step guide for reconstituting, mixing powdered antibiotics for children at home, plus the important safety checks and storage instructions. I'll keep it practical and short so it's easy to follow. The most important thing, always follow the exact instructions on the medicine label or the pharmacist's directions first. Different antibiotics and manufacturers sometimes require slightly different water volumes, storage, or the usage time. When you're in doubt, call your pharmacist or the pediatrician so that they can help you clarify your doubt. So, what are the things you need? The antibiotic powder bottle supplied by the pharmacy, the measuring cup or syringe by the pharmacy, and a clean marked measuring cylinder. Fresh potable water or boiled cooled water if instructed if it's not available along with the bottle that comes. Clean hands and a clean working surface. Now, let's break this down step by step. How to mix or reconstitute the powder. Read the label. For example, the most important is the expiry date. Check the bottle and any pharmacy label for the water, volume, storage instructions, whether to keep in the fridge or room temperature, and use after mixing. If the label is missing, call your pharmacist and ask them the expiry date. Wash your hands. Clean, dry hands protect the medicine from contamination. Loosen the powder before you break open the cap. Gently shake the sealed bottle and then remove the seal only when ready to add water. Then, once you've opened the seal, there might be another seal on the inside. So, you can just pop it simply. Once that is done, make sure you remove the entire aluminium foil. Now, start by adding water. This is a two-step method. First, you break open the seal and most of the bottles have a mark. For example, in this one, there is an arrow mark here. So, you start by first filling the bottle by half the quantity of water. Once you've done this till half the mark, once you've filled the water till half the mark, seal the bottle again. Once you've filled half the bottle with water, now you can shake a little vigorously so that the powder is not stuck anywhere in the bottle and mixes up with all of the water. This also helps you remove all the trapped air and the bubbles. After you've done this, continue adding the water till that mark. Right? And stop. Now that it's done, the entire mixture is ready for use. So, make sure there are no clumps. Right? Some leaflets say add all the water at once. Always follow the specific instructions on the bottle or on the packaging. Check the mixture and then label it with the use by date. Make sure the powder has fully dispersed, no clumps anywhere. Write the do not use after date, which means the date on the label. Commonly, it's valid for 7 to 14 days, depending on the medicine, whether it should be refrigerated or not. If it says refrigerate, make sure you store it correctly. Put the bottle in a fridge or at room temperature as the label instructs. Discard any leftover after the use by date. You don't need to use the remaining fluid, just discard. Always measure each dose with an oral syringe or the cup provided. Do not do any guesswork. Shake the bottle before each dose be suspended to your baby because suspensions do settle. Finish the full course. Give the antibiotic for the prescribed full duration, even if the child seems better in a few days, unless your doctor tells you otherwise. Now, there are certain warnings and do's and don'ts. Don't add other liquids like juice or milk into the bottle. Give mixing as instructed or mix only as per the doctor or pharmacist's guidance. Don't change the amount of water. It alters the concentration and the dose accuracy. Don't use an unlabeled or previously reconstituted bottle without confirming the use by date. Do not give this medicine to anyone else. It's only prescribed for your baby. If your child develops a rash or swelling or a breathing difficulty or any other signs of allergy, stop the medicine and seek emergency care. Call your doctor. He will suggest the way forward. If you're unsure about the storage or the use by time, call your pharmacist. They can tell you the exact expiry date after reconstitution for that product. Here's a quick checklist. You can paste or send. Read the label and expiry. Wash your hands before doing this reconstitution. Loosen the powder and halfway add water and shake. Wait. Add remaining water. Shake until it's completely smooth, the solution. Label the use by date. It's usually 7 to 14 days. And store as instructed, either in the refrigerator or a cool space. Shake before each use. Finish the full course. Call your doctor if there's an allergy. I am Dr. Abhinav Malhotra here, your friendly pediatrician. Keep following for more simple daily pediatric advice for safety of your children